What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock options analysis. So, we'll be going over the options. I again took the liberty, just like Nvidia stock, to put the puts and the calls data on the chart, and we'll talk from here. With what we'll be focusing on in this video is identifying how these calls and puts options that we have right now on Tesla technically, how many of those will come in fruition, how many of those will go worthless, and are the traders even betting on the right side? Are more traders going to lose their money in the options, or are they going to win the money in the options? So we'll talk about all of that in this video. I'll be using back and forth between the options data and the technicals to build up a confluence, and my opinion is what I'll be sharing in this video. I would highly also suggest that to go and check out this video of mine that I did on Tesla this morning. That this week will be awesome on Tesla. I covered a lot of technicals. It will give you head start already on a lot of the things that I'll be talking about in the options for the options in this video. And I will go over technicals here as well, but you will just going to get a lot of head start already if you check out first this video that I did this morning. And then this video will get a lot easier, a lot fun, and a lot more amazing for you as well. All right. So guys, with that, please also note, none of this is any financial advice. I'm only providing my opinion here as an educational opinion. And that's all, nothing more than that. You can go and do whatever you want to do. I play no role, no part, no business in any of that. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. All right. So let's talk about the options here. So on the left side we have calls, and on the right side we have puts. I'm using Yahoo Finance. I love it for these type of data analysis like options. It makes it very easy peasy to go through the data here. And right now Tesla, at least on the market close, it closed at $164 range, $164.90. However, let's go to the hourly interval, because we know in the post market Tesla went up on the news of robotaxi and all of that, and all that FUD of, Tesla scrapping EV model. Elon Musk said, hey, Reuters, stop lying. That's not true. So all that has really added the benefit and the sentiment really awesome to Tesla going into this week. And again, as I said, check out that video as I talked about a lot of the things in the Tesla today in the morning. So this will give you a lot more information. Okay. Now, going back over here. So for the Tesla stock, let's talk about the options. So yes, in the post market, Tesla is at what, 171.15 cents, but we'll go with the closing price because that's where the most of the liquidity of the options would be. But we will see when the market opens, the data would shift. But just because the options chain is more relevant to where the price has closed during the regular market hours, we're using that as a base reference. And as we go through the video, we'll talk about post-market as well, and things will get clear. Okay, so let's jump right into it. What I want to do first is go to this chart, and let's talk about this. So red are the puts, green are the calls here. The open interest, this is out of the money, this is not just out of the money. This is both out of the money and in the money, but this black line in the center is where, so don't worry about this 30,000 puts here. I just had to put it down so that this is showing up as a dividing line. Okay, so that's the only reason. Don't worry about it. There's no 30,000 puts right now. Open interest, no, there's none. So this is a dividing line, meaning that this is where the price is in this area of 100, between 162 and 165 when the regular market closed. And on the left side we have the red ones, which are out of the money puts, and on the right side in the green calls we have out of the money calls. And green on the left side of the black line is the in the money calls, and red in the right side of the black line are in the money puts. Okay, we will be focusing on out of the money in this video. In the money, if you're already in the money, that's great. That's usually beneficial for anyone who already has things being carried over from the last week or so forth. All in all, regardless, as we'll talk through the price action, both things will come in play. in the money and out of the money, but I'll be focusing explanation around out of the money because that's where chances to make any profitable trades are because of the difference in the premium and the delta and all of that. Okay, so let's talk about the spikes where we have on the call side out of the money. So 26,963, a lot of calls, but that's the spike at 172 and 5 cents. So where is Tesla? So I'll be talking mostly about the spikes here, guys, that we have. So that's why I'm first talking about the calls here, right? Of $172.5 price. So 172, how much is going for though? It's going for $1.63 right now. Not bad actually, well, at least where the price in the post market went. So if anyone had these calls, they are really already like better than others. But so this is 172 and 50 cents. So almost give it like 174 cents before you can make any money on this. So let's see, where's 174? All right, it's right around here. Guys, it's very likely. Like if you have seen a morning Tesla video, like Tesla is looking in the upside sentiment. Yes, it is bullish. And it's no brainer that this call has very high likelihood to make money. So looks like, unlike Nvidia, where most of the traders are betting on the wrong side, looks like on Tesla, many of the traders, well, they are on the right side. I don't know if they were smart enough after the post market. They could have gone worthless if Elon Musk would not have stepped in and saved by, announcing all of this stuff that he did on Friday regarding robotaxi and calling out Reuters on their lying and all of that. That really made these calls worth it, right? So traders so far looks like they're on the right side. Most of the traders will end up making money if they execute these calls the correct way. So 172 and 50 cents ones, okay? Yes, Tesla is technically looking great. It's looking bullish and it has been holding really good support. Again, I'm not going to go technicals in depth on the stock itself because I did that already in the morning. Check this video out. And yeah, the Tesla week will be awesome, okay? Check this video out. That will give you all of that in knowledge. Now, yeah, so very likely 170, the 174 and around 50 cents is going to work out really great, I think, in my opinion, okay? The next one, the high spike we have is 182 and 50 cents. Let's talk about this one because it will be a little bit cheaper, at least for now. So where is 182 and 50 cents? You need to make what? Sorry, 30 cents here. So it's going around, let's say, just shy of $183. So let's see where $183 is. So let me move this line to 183. So this one I would say, so this, look, expiration, this is for next week, right? This is a possibility to make money, but it's sitting at those resistance where I do expect a pullback. So the scenario being here, yes, Tesla is looking bullish and it can go all the way up here, but this is very close to that resistance level where I do expect some pullback. So I'm not sure, like this is still a great place, but I'm not sure if this is good enough to make good money above 183 for expiration of next week. That's where the question is. So we really need to see by Monday and Tuesday already price around $182 to make these calls options, which is at 183, any money. So otherwise, these calls options are still great. However, not for this coming week. You have to roll over this option to the week out. But it depends how Monday goes, how much strength Tesla stock shows on Monday. So far, it's looking bullish and sentiments are looking great. And accordingly, will define by Monday or Tuesday if this 183 is worth it for the amount of risk. Yeah, the risk is very negligible, at least for now. The price of the option is going for what? Almost 30 cents. So that comes to what? Your $30, right? So it's great, actually. I would say it's great. It's not bad here, right? So you're risking, look, when the market will open, this will differ because price in the post market has moved. But even if it's cheaper, the price that it's going for, it's it's fine in my opinion. But at the same time, 172 is $163. It's just, yeah, it's a little bit higher risk, and I'm pretty sure on Monday it's gonna get a little bit expensive as well. But yeah, so far that's my opinion on 183. It's not bad. It's just that how much strength on Monday and Tuesday Tesla can show. But bulls are still winning. 170 call, let's talk about it. So this one is already in the money in the post market. So this is definitely gonna, and based on, you know, how much money you have had it on. So, but yeah, this one is already looking great, 172 or 3, right? So yeah, this one has the highest likelihood, 170, to make a lot of money. But again, it depends how much you're willing to risk in the down payment and all of that. But 172 and 50 cents call, 170, I think these all traders are on the right direction right now on Tesla, in my opinion, right? Let's talk about out of the money puts now. So we have $160, 155 and 150. Unfortunately, in my opinion, these like really high, you know, the puts options, in my opinion, they would go worthless. Yes, they have high likelihood of going worthless. $160, right? $160 is sitting where? Like, let's just talk about 160, and if that goes worthless, like everything else is going worthless. So $160 is sitting down here in the support box. And how much is it going for right now, this option? $7.60. I'm sorry, guys, I'm seeing the on the call side. So put side going for $2.49. So you have to make like at least 157 to make money on this. So 157 is the break even. Likelihood of this happening is rare. All right, I don't want to even talk about the puts lower because they just don't look great. Because if 157 likelihood is rare, why would lower puts would work out? I won't touch it. Puts, I think most of these puts are going to go worthless, where the most of the open interest is sitting right now. And yeah, I think things on Tesla are looking much more on the calls on the bulls side, and I think most of the traders this time would end up making money this going into the going week. Depends also how long they're holding, if they're just trading, if they're holding until expiration, but there's a good likelihood that this will even expire with the in the money. They will be expiring very fruitful. This is interesting one put in the money, 165. I think this would, people should start selling off. Well, they're already losing money in the post market on this, but this would dramatically be a gambling zone. 165 is something you shouldn't be in right now, with what the price action is telling me on Tesla. And again, check out my morning video on the technical analysis that I did. That will tell you a lot about the technicals and how things are looking like going into this week for the stock price itself. All right, guys, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.